Hey, how you guys doing? You guys want to win some art supplies? We're talking 96 Arteza water brush pens that are basically like using watercolors, but without actually having to use watercolors because the watercolors in the pen. You get 96 of them with tons of colors, tons of colors. Look at all these colors. So many colors you know what to do with. In every single section, you got colors and you got colors and you got more and more colors. There's just so many colors. I mean, there's so many colors to choose from. Colors of poop, colors of cars, colors of moss on trees, and colors of tigers, just so many colors. Colors of Cronenbergs, of Meeseeks, of Bird Person, you name it. There's a color for it. 96 colors. You won't know what to do with them. They're awesome. Colors of Szechuan sauce, Morty, Szechuan sauce, and they're awesome. So I actually like these a lot, and I almost wanted to keep them, but I'm like, no, that's not the point. The point of it was to try them, show how to use them, and then give them away. So you have a really good chance of winning. Wanna know why? Because my channel's on the downhill right now because I wasn't paying attention to it for a long time. And, you know, now I'm trying to get back in the swing of things. I've been posting videos on the regular. And so anyway, you have a really, really good chance of winning. So if you want these pens, you want to win, you have a super good chance. And here's all you have to do to win them. It's super easy. First off, subscribe to my channel. That part's easy enough. After you subscribe, go to my channel's homepage. How do you do that? You just click on Learn to Draw right there beneath the video. It's right there beneath the video you're watching right now. Just click on my nickname, Learn to Draw. That takes you to my channel's homepage. On my channel's homepage, just click the little bell notification right there. See on the right hand side of my homepage there, and it says that you subscribed, and then there's a little bell next to the subscribe button. You click on that bell notification. So yes, you want to be notified. Why do you need that? Because when I post the winner, I want you to be able to get it. So you have 24 hours to respond. So after I pull your name out of a hat, so to speak, then you're the winner. You need to be able to know. I'm making another video announcing the winner, announcing the winners, because also I'm going to be giving away some Arteza water brush pens. These are awesome. What I have to do is make sure that they're nice and tight so they don't leak on you. This has water in it. Hear that? Boom. And this is great. This has a really nice brush on it. You can get a lot of use out of these things. I like it so far. It's great for smaller areas of work. If you want to do a bigger piece, obviously you need a bigger brush, but it's great for like traveling and stuff like that. Do little pieces and stuff. I did a whole entire piece on that. Please watch the video on how to use these pens. I show you guys how to use them. There's a couple more things you need to do also to win these, but I show you guys how to win these pens, or actually how to use these pens. I'm not telling you how to win them now, but I show you guys how to use them in another video, so check that out on how to use Arteza pens, on how to get a nice painted quality. I do a part of a painting with it, and I show that painting, and done with these pens, and I show you how to desaturate them so they don't look so saturated. At the very end of the video, I show another painting I did with them that's very vibrant and just super saturated, because that's how they look. They're very vibrant. But I show you guys really cool techniques on how to use them and blend them, and they're really not that hard to use. So anyway, if you want them, you got to have them. Here's the next thing you do. After you subscribe, I need you to leave a comment to this video saying, I want those pens, they're mine. And maybe you can tell me why. And that'd be awesome. I like to hear like why people, want stuff. So yeah, it's fantastic. And then all you have to do is I'll link to, on this video, in the description of this video, I'll link to my Facebook, which I think is linked to all my videos. I think all my videos just about have my Facebook link. And I'll take you to the Facebook page, the Master Painting Now Facebook page. And then all you have to do on the Facebook page is leave a comment to this video. I'm going to post this video on that page, and then just go to that page, and maybe I don't know if it links that way, but anyway, just scroll down until you find. It's not that hard. I've been posting a lot more lately, so you might have to scroll down a little bit if you only just seen this. This is only going to be going this I'm going to pick the winner within like a week from now, or if not sooner. So you have, like I said, super good chance of winning, because there's not going to be a whole lot of participants, and that means that you can finally win something really cool and be like, yeah, I won something on YouTube. That's so awesome, right? Oh yeah, by the way, so this whole giveaway I'll probably be doing a lot of giveaways this month here in March, which is the month of my birthday, by the way. Yeah, I'll be the big 40 years old, crazy. But instead of like being selfish and stingy and wanting stuff for my birthday, I'm going to be giving stuff away for my birthday. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Paying it forward. So yeah, then you just go ahead and leave a comment on this post. So I'm going to post this video on the Facebook page. Go to the Facebook page and leave a comment on that Facebook post saying, hey, so not just here on this video, leave it here, but also then go to the Facebook page and sign up to the Facebook page. Just like it or not like it, whatever you do. I don't know what you do for Facebook page to join it. I think you just hit follow or something like that. And then find this video on that page, scroll down, find it, and then leave a comment on that as well. That's it. Not too much work, right? Just take you a few minutes. So just do all that. One, subscribe to this channel, hit notifications so if you win, you can be notified that you're the winner so you don't lose out on your prize. Because if you don't respond, it goes to the next person. That their magic, name comes out of the hat. Then leave a comment on this video, then go to the Facebook page, click on the link in the description of this video, go to the Facebook page, and go ahead and like that page or follow it, whatever, and then scroll down, find this video, and leave a comment on the Facebook as well, pretty much saying the exact same thing you said here. It's like, hey, I want these pens, they're mine, I need them. And then the second up winners will win one of these. So I have 3 more of these to give away. And so there's 3 more people that'd be lucky. 2 of them are a little bit smaller, so more final details. That's really great though for when you're just doing like little paintings in your little sketchbook when you're out and about and stuff like that. They're great. For covering bigger areas though, none of these pens are super good at that. I think they do make flat tip ones that can cover more area and they're bigger, but the ones I'm giving away are smaller like this one here. And so, hey, even if you don't win this, you still have a really good chance to win one of those pens. So what are you doing? What are you waiting for? Start the process. Subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And in less than a week from now, I think it's March 8th. So in less than a week from now, the winners will be announced. I'll make a video announcing the winners. And that is, I'm announcing just by your YouTube name. And then after you see that video, respond to me right away within 24 hours. And then these pens will be yours. And if that person doesn't respond, hey, don't worry about it. If you're the second person, instead of getting one of these, you might actually get the brush pens instead because the other person didn't respond in time. All right, that's it. Be prepared. You're going to have to give me an address to ship this to or a P.O. box or something. So, yeah, it's all good. You can trust me. I ship stuff all the time. I own another business where I ship out LED lights all the time to people. So anyway, all right, guys, thanks for watching. And hey, check out my link in the description. I have tons of free art lessons, also here on the YouTube channel, of course. masterpaintingnow.com, and a lot of my courses are on sale right now for ridiculous prices. $12 for like a $60 course. It has over that one has over, I think, 25,000, or I know it's over 20,000. Over 20,000 paying, happy, awesome students, and you can be one of them. It teaches you everything you need to know about figure drawing. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, check that out. And I have some other courses there that might interest you if that one doesn't. But that one is just awesome. Teaches all the foundations of anatomy for figure drawing. And we'll take your figure drawing from like level whatever it is now to boom, maximize level to pro level. And all you gotta do is do the exercises. I still do the exercises in that course to this day. And that's why I continue to get better and better and better, because I put the work in. I do the exercises. All right, guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you for being a subscriber to this channel, and I hope that I bring you guys more. Well, I hope that I can bring you guys the content that you want to see. Please let me know what you want to see. The more you guys feedback and let me know what you want to see, the more I can do that content. So someone said, hey, do a skesis or skesis, I don't know how it's pronounced, from Dark Crystal. For those that don't know what Dark Crystal is, it's an old movie, but it's worth watching. Really, really good puppetry. Just fantastic cinematography as well. If anything, just watch it for the art reasons alone, but the story is pretty good too. Anyway, so I did it. I did the video because they requested in the comments. So if you want to see something and you leave it in the comments, there's a good chance you'll see that video. So, all right. Bye. So what are you waiting for? Like right now, like click on the, leave a comment, sign up, win your pins. Win your pins. And the whole time I realized I wasn't looking at the camera. Damn it, I should probably start over now.